So what we're going to prepare is vinoto with pounded groundnut sauce. In our local languages, we call it Ifisahi. So this is our vinoto, which we're going to chop our onions and tomatoes and our pounded groundnuts. So in a pot, we're going to put some water and let it boil with a pinch of salt for seasoning. Immediately after the water boils, we're going to add the vinoto, the tomato, and the onion. After about 5 to 10 minutes it boils, you then add the pounded groundnuts for the sauce. Once it boils, it's then cooked after 10 minutes. And there you have your Ifisahi, we call it in our local language. So our next dish we're going to prepare is Kapenta, small little fishes, tomato, onion, and some peppers for flavor. So we're going to put a pan on the stove, then add some oil, our Kapenta. Once we fry them for about a minute, we then add the onions, the tomato, and the green pepper until cooked. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes. So our main meal that we eat in Zambia is called Nshima. This is made from maize corn, which has been grinded, and water.